Give me a moment, I just dropped some stitches! Phew! Disaster averted. The heat, cat, the heat. Yes, the heat.
Mom, I'm still converting the level.
I will agree with you on that. Can't handle something. I don't know. I've been enjoying my hot, sexy date over there. Jean, my air conditioner.
I thought you named it Gannon.
Oh yeah, that's right. We changed his name to Gannon. That's right. Whoops. I mean, changed the air conditioner's name to Ganondorf, not Ganon.
Whichever. They're both the same for me.
So yeah, it's been hot. So I have a crochet project that I'm working on. Right now, I'm just going to be doing a lot of the fluffies because I'm going to add stuff, yarn, almost like tassels, and brush it out so it's fluffy. But with the heat, I don't want to do fluffies because fluffies means flyaways. Fluffies means I'm going to look like I'm growing fur. So, yeah, at the moment I'm not doing that. So, I recently did a stream where I tested a pattern. The designer asked me to delete that VOD just as a precaution because she is dealing with an individual who, I guess they have stolen some of our patterns and are trying to claim it as theirs. But in the future, we'll probably do more with pattern testing where I will stream it and whatnot. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So, I don't think I could share the finished project, but it turned out really good. But I recently, before I did that, made some cute fingerless gloves with cable, and that's the wrong hand. So you can kind of see that braided, not with the light, but let me turn that off. The braided cabling. Yeah, I'm still on I think part 6 or 7. I haven't picked up the Flutterby Cal in a while just because of that. I will probably be picking it back up once it starts getting colder weather. Which, according to the Farmer's Almanac, it's supposed to be colder weather this year and we're supposed to get it hit early. Which all I can say is crap. But at the same time, I'm not surprised because, excuse me, allergies. With the main yarn cruise we are doing, so we went to like the southwestern end of the state to visit 5 stores. Child, can you turn the volume down with that? We noticed some of the trees are already changing colors with the leaves, so we're like, crap. So this is like a leaves and waves pattern. Exclamation point pattern. We'll get you the link if you want to check out what the finished look looks like and or possibly buy the pattern yourself. This is going to be my mother's Christmas gift.
I got them.
All right.
I had a feeling, guys.
Okay. Just want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing relatively well. So this is the right side, this here is the wrong side. This is going to be a cardigan by the time it's done. And this is with alpaca wool. It's been hand spun and hand dyed. Who else is here today that have said hello? Just you and Baconator. But it looks like there's 3 people here, at least with what I see for viewers. So chances are, I know Bacon is lurking, but we have somebody else most likely lurking. Or at least somebody else visiting.